The journey of a lifetime. Family, we're here in Ghana, West Africa. It's October 25th and it's around noon and it's beautiful in Ghana. We have all of these wonderful happy faces and they are just ready to roll on this beautiful journey. A lot of new faces, fresh energy. Welcome to Ghana. Welcome to Ghana, everybody. Welcome.
What up, what up, what up?
And over here I see Sass.
So good to see Kobina back home in Ghana on the ground. Thank you, ancestors.
Journey of a lifetime, family. We are rolling in. We're rolling into Ghana. Let me see all the happy faces. Yes, family, we are 27 strong from the diaspora. Home in Ghana, home in Ghana. Yes, yeah, Jassy. Yes. My sister, how you feeling? How you feeling?
Great, it's good to be back in beautiful Ghana. Beautiful flight. We are what, 27, 28 strong this year?
27 strong.
And I feel it already, so I can't wait for us to really begin our tour because this is awesome.
Yes, family, this is just a brief description of our excitement. We have a wonderful sister here dancing line. Our first time in the motherland. Yeah, yes. You are home, my sister. My sister, you are home. You are home in beautiful Ghana, West Africa. Welcome home. And we have a wonderful brother here, Mohammed. Mohammed, been around with us for many, many years. Yes, Mohammed. Are you ready to do it again?
Yeah,
it never gets old. It never gets old.
Good. I'm still strong. I'm still working out. And I'm still waiting for you to come around and then do the business. Very good.
You hear that, family?
Welcome.
Welcome to Ghana.
Fine. Everybody's fine.
And my mother here, she's smiling, she's excited. Her first time in Mother Africa. The original Kingstonian in Ghana, West Africa. So how you feeling? You ready? You ready? You excited? You love the energy? Yes, family. We're in Ghana, West Africa, and we are. And check out this beautiful shirt here.
Dancing Lion is having one of those, I want to call it a pep episode because you know about pep talk, but it's one of those reactions that a lot of people who have touched Ghana soil for the first time experience. It's just like, I know this place, I've been here before. Tears of joy, mixed emotions. I mean, we all came here before, but she's experiencing that Sankofa feeling. We want to thank our fearless leader, Brother Bamani, again, Africa for the Africans represent.
Yes, love the shirt, love the shirt. Keep it strong, family.
Yes, and we're happy